Video 14 of 30. If you're a commercial tenant looking to acquire new space, you've got to be really careful to do your own due diligence in terms of the uses. Now, a lot of tenants will ask the landlord, hey, is my use okay? So let's say, for example, you want to set up a detailing shop. You ask the landlord says, I'm fine with it. You can rip up the floors and add any sort of drainage or whatever you need. Now, let's say the tenant relies on this, does this, but doesn't conduct their own investigation. There's two things you got to be careful with. First off, if you're leasing in a space that's a part of a condominium corporation, the condo corp may not actually allow that use even though the landlord's okay with it. Similarly, you have to make sure that the zoning actually permits this use. Otherwise, you could go about doing all of this work, eventually find out that somebody's complaint, and then the local municipal inspector comes in and says you've got to shut down the practice. This will be a big problem for you. Always do your due diligence. Don't just rely on the landlord, because at the end of the day, when you spent $100,000 setting it up, whether the landlord told you it was acceptable or not is a totally different consideration. You just don't want to end up here. Ricky Rathore here again, broker owner at Remax Metropolis, real estate lawyer at Rathore Bay Professional Corporation. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.